Hello friends, let's solve one problem based on the theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. The question is, prove that any rectangle is a cyclic quadrilateral. So to prove this we need a diagram. So let's have this rectangle and we have to prove that it is a cyclic quadrilateral. So as it is a rectangle and we have to prove that it is a cyclic quadrilateral, first of all we must know what is a cyclic quadrilateral. So first of all let's understand what is a cyclic quadrilateral. Suppose there is one circle given, and if we have 4 points on the circle, that is point A, point B, point C and point D. So if we take these 4 points anywhere on the circle and if we join all these 4 points with each other. So by joining these 4 points to each other, we get a quadrilateral ABCD. So for this quadrilateral ABCD, we have all these 4 vertices on the circle. That's why in this case we say that quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So we can define a cyclic quadrilateral as if for any quadrilateral all the 4 vertices are on the circle, then it is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now we'll move to our question. So this is a rectangle and we have to prove that this is a cyclic quadrilateral. So first of all let's name this as rectangle A, B, C and D. Now to prove this, we must know the property of a rectangle, that every angle of a rectangle is a right angle. So angle A, angle D, angle C and angle B, all these 4 angles are right angles. Now to prove this, we have to start with quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle as it is given. So in the question it is given that quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. Now as it is a rectangle, all the measures of angles, that is angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D are equal, and that is of measure 90 degree, because all the angles of a rectangle are right angles. Now let us consider any two opposite angles of this quadrilateral, either A and C or B and D. So if we consider two angles, angle A and angle C, as these are opposite angles of this rectangle, and if we add these two, that is angle A plus angle C, so measure of angle A is 90 degree plus measure of angle C is also 90 degree. So 90 plus 90, it's 180 degree. That means angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, which states that angle A and angle C must be supplementary. So for this quadrilateral ABCD, angle A and C are the opposite angles and they are supplementary. So according to the property of converse of theorem of cyclic quadrilateral, if there is a quadrilateral whose opposite angles are supplementary, then that quadrilateral must be a cyclic quadrilateral. So by using that converse, we can conclude that quadrilateral ABCD must be a cyclic quadrilateral. So by the converse of theorem of cyclic quadrilateral, we have quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So that is we wanted to prove, as we have to show that every rectangle is a cyclic quadrilateral. We have taken one rectangle ABCD and lastly we have shown that it is a cyclic quadrilateral. So that's why if we take any rectangle, it is a cyclic quadrilateral.